the grand opening of Arunachal in 0.9 Mr. Vaishnav, the crowd of India who is from our neighbor city itself. He is here with us today and he is going to see the launching of the brand. So audience, if you have no idea of
This is the most complete menswear brand in India and most loved brand in India which you can ever find. And so we have started in 1997, and in 1997 we were the honest shirt brand, and from there to till now we have reached to a level where we cater from the bottom to top everything for men. So the price the regular price starts from 999 and it's very reasonable, and it can go up to 2000 and 2400 for shirt, and our suits and blazers starts from 3999 and can go up to 12,999.
I think it's beautiful. I've come here many times, and my first was long time ago, and now after I think 10-15 years, I think Arunachal and Itanagar, things are changing for good in a very nice way. And obviously I would first of all like to congratulate my friends here, the owner of Peter England shop in Itanagar, and it's good to see that good brands from across India is coming to places like Arunachal and Northeast, because I think we require that. For us, it's connectivity wise, our Northeast has a major challenge, and the most fashionable people in India are from the Northeast.
Absolutely.
But we don't get that kind of fashion which we want. So we've got to travel to Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, a lot of bigger cities to get what we want. And our young generations are, I think, the icons of fashion to the entire country. So I think it's good to see good brands coming here and making it accessible to people of Arunachal plus Northeast, rest of the Northeast. So wish them good luck, and at the same time, it's just not the brands, but also it's also in a way might be a smaller thing, but it also generates revenue, it also generates employment for the locals. Any shop that comes in to any part of the Northeast, and especially in Arunachal, it's always maybe in a smaller way which can grow. It also generates employment, what I said. So it's for us, I think it's good for me, especially. I feel very honored to be here and see that good brands are coming in on this, and hopefully it will benefit everyone. And as I said, very happy, and hopefully, being a footballer, I'm still hoping that we will do well. Arunachal should pick up, and I'm here to always support. I've always said to the government and also football associations here, any way I can support to make sure Arunachal develops in football, which I think there are huge talented players in Arunachal. But it's just that I think slowly they've started getting very well organized. Arunachal, what it was 5 years ago, football in Arunachal, and now it's much more better, because we did not see a lot of Arunachal teams participating in a lot of big tournaments in India, like the Santosh Trophy, age group tournaments. But now at least it's changing, and we're seeing players coming out of Arunachal. And if there's anything I can do, I would love to support and do it. And as I said, my sister, sports complex is named after my sister Dozy Lardin as well, and it's very sentimental for me and our family as well. And I've always said that if anything I can do to football and Dozy Lardin Sports Complex, I'm ready to help.